should we bet on whether he'll miss? How many times it'll take?
I think he'll have it. First shot.
You got it?
First shot.
I think he'll miss once and get the second time.
What could be more fun than shooting Tannerite? How about shooting Tannerite at 60,000 frames per second?
223 versus Tannerite. Everybody ready?
Ready.
I wonder if I went high or not. Actually, you can probably see.
Figure out where you're at. That's nutty.
Look at that.
Man, skin the top of that thing.
Did you see that? You can see the cone-shaped shock wave trailing the bullet.
You ready?
Yep. I got pelted.
Not hard. I
No,
felt
it got me right in the lip, man.
I felt a little
And
something.
then I felt a little hit my shirt.
I felt it hit my face, but then I hid behind the cardboard box.
By the time you felt it hit your face, it was too late.
Probably.
All right, Tannerite number 2.
I think he'll have it. First
You
shot.
think you got it?
First shot.
I think he'll miss once and get the second time.
That's a big thump.
All right, that was just awesome. Did you see the shockwave? You can actually see the shockwave.
So not a lot of damage to the top of the wood, but the label that was on the can is like imprinted.
So we did one more shot at 2 pounds, and I figured I would play this one without any editing. This is what it looks like at 60,000 frames per second without any speed ramps or sound effects. It's amazing how slow an explosion can be, isn't it? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up.